As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're looking at two portable propane grills, right? The Weber Q1000 and the Char-Broil 1-burner. Let's dive in.
Yeah, sounds good. I'm curious, especially since they're both Amazon's choice.
Well, first off, the Weber is pricier, around $229, while the Char-Broil is much cheaper at about $89. Big difference right there.
Definitely. So what do you get for the extra money with the Weber?
Well, the Weber's got a slightly smaller cooking area, 189 square inches, compared to the Char-Broil's 240. But it boasts porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are known for even heating and great sear marks. The Char-Broil has porcelain-coated wire grates.
Okay, so the Weber might heat more evenly. What about power?
The Char-Broil actually has a slightly higher BTU rating, 9,500, versus the Weber's 8,500. However, BTU isn't everything. It's about how efficiently the grill uses that energy. And the Weber has a better build quality.
Makes sense. What about size and portability? Are they both easy to lug around?
The Char-Broil is a bit lighter, 21.3 pounds, compared to the Weber's 27.5. Dimensions-wise, they're pretty similar, both designed to be tabletop grills. Both have push-button ignitions for easy starting, which is nice.
And what about materials? Anything stand out there?
The Weber uses cast aluminum for the lid and body, which is durable and rust-resistant. The Char-Broil also uses stainless steel, which is also durable.
Okay, so both are pretty sturdy. What do the reviews say?
Both have solid ratings, but the Weber has a slightly higher average, 4.7 stars versus 4.4 for the Char-Broil, and way more reviews. Customers praise the Weber's quality and even heat. The Char-Broil folks like its ease of use and compact size.
So if you're on a budget and need a slightly larger grilling surface, the Char-Broil is a good option. But if you want better build quality, potentially more even heating, and are willing to spend more, the Weber is the way to go?
Exactly. It really boils down to balancing price and features based on your needs. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.